Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best export settings for CapCut PC to get maximum result for your projects. So in here, after you finish your projects, you can just click on export at the top and follow these settings to get the best quality of your editing. So here you can just change the resolutions into 1080p, and then the bitrate changes into higher, and the codec just leave it as it is and format MP4, and then the frame rate 30 fps. So after this you can just click on export and you'll get the best quality of your projects. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and this video will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye!